Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to seamlessly integrate ClickUp with your Outlook calendar. This is the complete guide for 2025, so let's get started. First up, you'll need to open your ClickUp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on your avatar. This is where you'll find the Apps and Integration option. Clicking on this is crucial because it opens up a world of connectivity possibilities within ClickUp, including the Outlook Calendar integration. Next up, you're going to search for Outlook Calendar in the search bar and click on it. The reason we do this is to directly access the Outlook Calendar integration option, which is what we're focusing on today. Now that we've done that, you'll see an Enable button. Click on it. This helps us because it's the primary step that links ClickUp to your Outlook calendar. Once you've clicked Enable, you'll be redirected to the Outlook sign-in page. So, sign into your Outlook account. Let me explain why this matters. By signing into your Outlook account, you're essentially giving ClickUp permission to access your calendar. This is a fundamental step in integrating the two services. The final step is to click on Accept on the Permissions page. This is essential as it finalizes the integration process. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. ClickUp is now syncing all your tasks and deadlines with your Outlook calendar, making your scheduling process much smoother. And voila, you've integrated ClickUp with your Outlook calendar. Just like that, you've opened up a new way of managing your tasks and schedules. Remember, the goal here is to make your life a little bit easier. Thank you for joining us today, and see you in the next one.